Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Oleg Drut. I'm orthodontist. The question of the day is, can you wear braces with crowns? This question is often asked by patients who have crowns. And the answer is absolutely yes. If the crown is made well by your dentist, it's never going to break because of the braces, okay? But if the crown is made very poorly, you're going to lose a crown, but you're going to lose it anyway, right? So when we bond the brackets, we have to use a special primers, what's called Monobond and Assure Plus, when we glue the brackets to the crown. Otherwise, it might break. The bracket can break because crown made of porcelain, and porcelain is not the same like enamel, natural enamel. That's why we have to use a special primer for this. Again, if the crown is well made by your dentist, it's never gonna fall out because of the braces, right? But if the crown is poorly made, then there is a possibility you're gonna lose a crown. However, you're gonna lose it anyway. Okay, another option would be Invisalign. Invisalign, it's a removable appliance that you can, when you have crowns, it's probably preferred appliance to use if you want to have this dream smile that you always wanted. Thank you very much.